This week, Parashat Emor. The name is essence. Usually we say the names are essence. Now, the essence of this parasha is the name of the parasha Emor. Emor said, parasha is parasha talking. We talk to Kohanim, that in other words, how to keep the kedusha and tahara. Emor, Amira Male Rahamim. If you want to tell somebody what to do, you have to do it with the merciless, with nachat. You just scream and yell, people don't listen. You should talk to them with Male Rahamim. Amira Male Rahamim. They should keep the regulation of the Kohanim. And then Kohen Gadol, then again, there is a talk to Aaron and the children about the korbanot, what type of korbanot to bring, what type of korbanot not to bring, and what type of Kohen should do the avodah, what type of Kohen should not do avodah. And then it goes to Mu'adim. The Torah tells them about Mu'adim, all of the Mu'adim. And after that, we have all of the Mu'adim Doraita. Then we have the parasha of Menorah, which refers to Chanukah. And then we have talks about Lechem Aponim, which talks about Lechem Aponim, and it refers to Purim. Purim as a Purim. Now, then after that, Torah tells us an incident that changes all of the sin. Torah tells us, Ben Isha Israelit, Behu Ben Ish Mitzri. Torah tells us that a boy came out, who Ben Ish Mitzri, and is the son of Ish Mitzri, is the son of a man, Egyptian man. In other words, Torah is testifying that the mother was a Jew, but the father was a Kurd. And they fought in the Machane, and all of a sudden he mevarech the name of Hashem. And Torah tells us the name of his mother, Shemit Bat Dibri, and they say, what should we do? And Akash Baruch Hu said, that's stone. That's the end of the parasha. Now the question is, what's happening here? That all of a sudden somebody comes and he is Ben Akash Baruch Hu, such a great Avera, where does it come from? Torah says, Vayetze Ben Isha Israeli. Now Torah starts the parasha with Vayetze. What does Vayetze mean? Mechan Yatza. Rashi asked, from where does it come out? In other words, there are moments in life that the person comes out from his olam. HaKadosh Baruch Hu created the person in olam, the world, for him to live and to grow. But a lot of times we come out from our olam with our own bechira free will. 1 second, 1 minute, we make a choice and we destroy our olam. We come out from the olam, the life, the privilege, the blessings of life. The person will come out. When the Midrash says he came out from the Beit Din of Moshe Rabbeinu, really his father was Mitzri, but the mother was from Shevet Dan. Now the question was, where should he make the camp? He made the camp in the Shevet Dan, but the tribe of Dan came and told Moshe Rabbeinu that HaKadosh Baruch Hu says the camping has to go with the father, not with the mother. His father is not from Dan. Then Moshe Rabbeinu says, yes, you are right. He's not from the Dan, therefore his camping is from Dan, not Dan. Then he came out, he's fed up, and all of a sudden, he came out and he is mevarech Shem Hashem. Now, what's the point? What Torah is teaching us that he came out and is mevarech, blesses Shem of Hashem, then he comes out of the Beit Din, comes out of Beit Din. It's very interesting. Torah is teaching us something very important. Now, what was the bracha? How did the bracha blessing happen? Blessing is a lotion to be used for HaKadosh Baruch Hu, not to be used the negative lotion without a blessing. He says, Yossi Yake Yossi. Means Yossi means Yotke Vavke, who is the responsible for the creation, should hit Yossi. All of the creation could collapse. Now, how come he's saying that all of the world should come to an end? What's happening to him? Now, Torah is saying that's very important, this lesson in life. Now, what happened to this person? This is at the camp. Now, we'll take away the camp that he has. What does it mean? We take away the position and the place that he is. Every person needs to stand for himself. Every person needs a makom for himself, a place that a position for himself. Once we take away the position from him, he's lost. He doesn't care for life anymore. the world come to an end for him. Every child needs a chair at home. Once he has a good chair, warm chair, and a chair that he feels welcome, he belongs to the family. Once he loses the chair, doesn't have that special chair, doesn't have a special makom. A lot of times a child is sandwiched around the other children, and he loses his attention and chashibut. In other words, anybody is better than him. The brother is better than him. The sister is better than him. He doesn't find any speciality in this house. He feels that he doesn't have any chair in this house, doesn't have anything in this house. So what does he feel? He feels he's lost. He got nothing. Therefore, he's ready to say, Yosef, Yake, Yosef. Therefore, unbelievable lesson in the parasha that the person could come to a point to say, Yosef, Yake, Yosef, where does it come from? That he's frustrated with life and everything because he lost his position. He lost his special chair. And everybody in the world, a part of the family, part of the community, everybody needs a place for himself. Once there was a lady from Holocaust, a while ago in Israel, was saying a lecture, and she and the ladies were listening to her, and she get up and she's a Holocaust survivor. He says that the best moment of my life was when the Nazis took me away from my family, from my parents. You could imagine a lady, older lady, getting up and staying up. That's the best moment of her life. You see the silence. Everybody is just amazed to listen to her. What is she trying to say? How could it be the best moment of her life? She said, I was in a family that my sisters, brother, always they were better than me, had better qualities. I didn't have any quality, nothing at home. I didn't get any attention. All of the attention went to my brothers and sisters. And when the Nazis were taking me away from my mother says, no, don't take her. It's a Leah, his name is Leah. Leah is my life. Without Leah, I cannot live. Leah is my life. Without Leah, I cannot live. That moment, hearing that from my mother gave me existence. This is very ironic. At that time, that's a time of sadness of life. And I never heard these words from my mother. When I heard that, gave me life. That, she never expressed herself like that. Always I was lost in the family. Now, unfortunately, our children is being lost through our phone. Nazis that they are taking away the phone, the new technology. When the child comes home, instead of mother going and hugging the child, is on the phone. When the child needs him, father is on the phone. A new technology, new involvement. They don't have to get the Nazis to take them away. The technology is doing the job that they did. Therefore, the word Torah is telling us such an important point in life. Person would feel that how is it possible a person comes? This is the way. In other words, once we take away the position from the person. Therefore, we as a father, we have to make sure all of the children have their place, the position. As a member of a community, we have to make sure everybody in the community has his own position, his own place. To call them, to find out. Somebody didn't come to shul for 2 weeks, and someone said that nobody called me, nobody find out where am I, what's happening to me. Somebody lost his job, and nobody paid attention to it. Therefore, these people feel nobody, feel nothing. Life is fedai. They're ready to say, Yosef, therefore, that's the opposite. When we get to these people and we talk to them, we give them life, we give them existence, and we make them go through the historian that they have, and that will be a great zechut for ourselves and for all the Hal Yisrael.